morning. I am Seema, working in Dr. Drsnsrcas College of Arts and Science and in the Department of Commerce CA. Now I am going to present a topic on money market, and we have to know the meaning of money market first of all. So money market is refers to trading in very short-term debt invest instruments, and it involves continuous large volume trades between institutions and traders at the wholesale level. It includes money market mutual fund bought by individual investors and money market accounts opened at banks and at the retail level. So we can say that money market is characterized by a high degree of safety and reliably low rates of return on investment. So we can say that money market, it involves purchase and sale of large volume of very short-term debt product such as overnight reserves or commercial papers. An individual can invest in the money market by purchasing a money market mutual fund, buying a treasury bill, or by opening a money market account at a bank. Money market investments are characterized by safety and liquidity, with money market fund shares targeted at $1. So money market accounts offer higher interest rates than normal savings accounts, but they have higher account minimums and limit on withdrawals. So we can say that the meaning of money market involves money market is one of the pillars of the global financial system, and it involves overnight swaps of vast amounts of money between banks and US government. The majority of money market transactions are wholesale transactions that take place between financial institutions and companies. So next, we can say that money market, who can invest money in the money market? Individuals can invest in the money market by buying mutual funds, short-term certificates of deposits, etc. And money market has retail location for individual investors. They include local banks, the US governments, treasury direct websites, etc. And the types of money market instruments are money market funds, and the money market is limited to companies and financial institutions that lend and borrow in amounts ranging from $5 million to well over $1 billion per transaction. Mutual fund offer baskets of these products to individual investors. The net asset value of such fund is intended to stay at rupees 1. And money market accounts are there. It's a type of savings account, and they pay slightly higher interest rate than a regular savings account, but they often come with restrictions on withdrawing money or writing checks. Withdrawal are limited by federal regulations. The bank will promptly convert the money market account to a checking account if the limits are exceeded. Banks typically calculate interest on a money market account daily and make a monthly credit to the account. Average interest rate for money market account can vary based on the amount deposited. The best paying money market account advertised online as on July 24th offered Brilliant Bank as on 5.35% with a $1,000 minimum deposit. Money market accounts have become more popular because of their perceived safety compared to more volatile investments given a higher rate of interest rate. And funds in the money market accounts are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation when they are held by banks, and National Credit Union Administration when they are held in credit unions. And the another instrument of money market is certificate of deposits. Most CDs are in strictly money market funds because they are sold with a term up to 10 years. CD with terms as short as 3 months to 6 months are available. Larger deposit and longer terms yield better interest rate, just as they do with money market accounts. Rates in early July 2024 ranged from about 5.35% to 6%. The rates offered on CD remain constant for a deposit period, unlike with a money market account. And there are other forms of instruments also, like treasury bills, commercial paper, bankers acceptance, euro dollars, repos. So many instruments are there, and we can I'm concluding the topic money meaning of money market here. Thank you. Next, I'm going to present the meaning of money market. We have already discussed about the money market. That is, it includes very short-term funds, and the money market involves the purchase and sale of large volume of very short-term debt products such as overnight reserves or commercial paper. An individual may invest in the money market by purchasing a money market mutual fund, buying a treasury bill, or by opening a money market account at a bank. Money market investments are characterized by safety and liquidity, with money market fund shares targeted at $1. Money market accounts offer higher rate of interest than normal rate of interest, normal savings account, but there are higher account minimums and number of withdrawals. There are certain pros and cons for money market, and it includes pros includes money market involves extremely low risk, and it may be insured by FDIC. It is highly liquid, and it offers higher returns than most bank accounts. Cons include low return that may not keep pace with inflation. Not all money market securities are insured, may have high minimum investment or withdrawal restrictions. And next one is, why is it is called as money market? What is the reason for calling it as money market? The money market deals in high liquid, very safe short-term debt equities, and these attributes make them virtual cash equivalents. They can be exchanged for cash at short notice. Why is the money market most important? Why we can say that money market is important? The money market keeps the financial economy running smoothly. It allows savers to lend money to those in need of short-term loans, and it allocates capital towards its most productive use. These loans are often made overnight or for a matter of days or weeks. They are needed by governments, corporations, and banks to meet their near-term obligations or regulations requirements. And these allow those with some excess cash on hand to earn a small amount of interest. And you can say that some examples for money market includes money market is composed of several types of securities, including short-term securities like treasury bills, certificates of deposits, commercial paper, repurchase agreements, and money market mutual funds that invest in these instruments. The money market funds typically have shares priced at $2. And can you lose money in the money market? Most money market accounts are insured by the FDIC up to $250,000 per institution, just like bank deposits. There's virtually no chance you will be lose your money by owning a CD or T-bill because money market instruments are very low risk. Some money market funds can break the buck and briefly incur losses during periods of extreme financial stress, such as the height of 2008 financial crisis. This was quickly corrected, however. What are the downsides of money market? And money market investments pay very low returns because they are virtually risk free. They can't provide substantial capital gains or investment growth compared to riskier assets and like stocks or even bonds. Some types of money market accounts like CDs lock your money up to certain future date that can be monthly or even yearly ahead. Individual investors should also look carefully at the fees they will be charged for money market accounts. They can eat into already modest rates of return on these investments. Money market accounts and money market fund are among the safest way to invest money. They have also been much lower returns than other investments, and they may fail to keep up with inflation. Many individuals and businesses use money market as short-term investments for their cash reserves. These investments are virtually risk-free and offer at least a modest rate of return on savings. And we can go and trade anywhere with money market, and money market yield is the interest rate earned by investing in securities with high liquidity and maturity of less than 1 year. And cash and cash equivalents are company assets that are either cash or can be converted into cash immediately. So there are certain types of instruments like commercial paper, certificate of deposits, etc. in the money market. Thank you.